Thutha wa maria mahanĩkĩte mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ ningĩ nĩ kuma na Iruga kũrĩa Thingira-inĩ wa Iregi rĩrĩa rĩkũharĩirio nĩ President William Ruto hamwe na First Lady Rachel Ruto rĩrĩ ta igongona rĩa kũhe King Charles wa gatatũ gĩtĩo nĩ gũcera gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, na tũgũtarĩrie hau kabere tuma na ndũmĩrĩri kana mĩario ĩrĩa yaririo kũrĩa Thingira-inĩ wa Iregi.
Acts of violence committed against Kenyans as they waged, as you said at the United Nations, a painful struggle for independence and sovereignty. And for that, there can be no excuse. In coming back to Kenya, it matters greatly to me that I should deepen my own understanding of these wrongs and that I meet some of those whose lives and communities were so grievously affected. None of this can change the past, but by addressing our history with honesty and openness, we can perhaps demonstrate the strength of our friendship today. And in so doing, we can, I hope, continue to build an ever closer bond for the years ahead. Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, my mother, Her late Majesty, cared deeply that Kenya chose to be a member of the Commonwealth and was always grateful that Kenya has played an essential role in this family of nations to which she devoted so much of her life. And so, Mr. President, if I may, I would like to propose a toast to you and to the people of Kenya. It is upon the enduring connection between our people that our partnership rests. It is on their enterprise, imagination and fortitude that our common hopes depend. Together we are stronger, together our future is more secure, and together, as your national anthem says, may we dwell in unity, peace and liberty.